something is right, everything gets more expensive. And we usually feel these price changes whenever we go to the supermarket. If you are trying to save some money with cleaning products for your home, or if you are looking for less toxic alternatives to clean your house, we have a special recipe for you. In today's video, we will teach you how to make natural soap with papaya leaves. Do you know this recipe? Natural soap made of papaya leaves is an excellent alternative to save money and avoid industrialized cleaning products. Did you know that papaya leaves act as a cleaning agent? Using this soap on your clothes will make them even cleaner. Learn how to make it. Write down the ingredients. 1 papaya leaf, 2 bars glycerin soap, 20.3 ounces water, 6.75 ounces liquid dish soap, 5 tablespoons washing powder, 3.4 ounces rubbing alcohol. Making it is easy. In a blender, blend the papaya leaf with water as if it were a juice. Next, grate the glycerin soaps, put them in a pan, and pour the liquid from the blender. Add the dish soap and let it boil over low heat, always mixing until the soap melts. Keep the low heat, add the washing powder, and keep stirring. When all ingredients are well combined, turn off the heat. Wait 10 minutes until it cools down and add the alcohol, always stirring. Now pour the mixture in plastic containers and wait until it hardens. If you prefer, pour the mixture in a tray and wait 24 hours, then cut in bars of your preferred size. Now that you know how to make soap at home, check our playlist of house care tips and learn how to take care of your home and your family. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.